Zero to pro. Zero to pro. Zero to pro.
Want to know how to do those 3 cinematic intros? No cap! Just follow me to learn the 3 step-by-step. Hit subscribe, like, and open Capcut. For the first one, bring in your video, get a black background image, overlay the black background on your video. Go to Mask, choose Split, then adjust the size until you get the coverage you want at the top. Duplicate it, bring the second copy down, and adjust it to give the same coverage as the top. For the second one, duplicate the first project. Here you're going to use keyframes, but don't worry, it's easy. Add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end of the first black background overlay. Then click the end keyframe and slide the black bar completely to the right. Now, add the same keyframe positions on the second overlay, then click the end keyframe and slide the black bar completely to the left, and you have it. For the third one, all you need here is your video clip. Click on the video, then go to Mask. Choose Filmstrip. Add a mask keyframe at the beginning and the end of the video. At the beginning, close it completely. Then, open it fully at the end. Preview your job. Boom! You just made a Nollywood-style cinematic intro.